Hello, good morning. This is Fayyaz Ahmed, a senior software developer. In this video, I am going to show you demonstrations of a real estate website or platform. First of all, I would like to show you a front end of this website. First of all, as you can see on header session, we have an icon. Here is a social media icon. You can edit these icons are fully customizable. You can change their icon. You can also change a link on the background, and here is a login section for agent, and someone can want to register on the website. He can also register here. On the right side, you can see the call for we have added a number, and between these line we can add the addresses of real estate. And the bottom we have some menus like about us and the categories and the pages and FAQs and contact us and blogs. These all options are menus are fully customizable. You can change your name and also change their background link. So first of all, I would like to show you the home page of this website. Is basically, as you can see, we have headers in the slider. We can change our sliders and the images from here, and right to left and left to right animations and setting very beautiful images between on the sliders. And when we scroll down to the find a property, here you can see we have some checkboxes where we can search about our required property. For example, we have a type, a rental property or a sale property. For example, I was going to select a rental property and click here, and I just will change the country and where I want, and I just click here. You can see the result of finding a rental property. You can see in this session I have added only one rental property. The user can click here to see more details, like just clicking here on this page. We have a beautiful card for yeah, here is a detail of this page. And the first of all, you can see the on the top of the page, you can see the address of the complete. You can see the property for rent is the heading and the addresses, and you can see the area code and where states mean we have Punjab state and Pakistan. So when we are scroll down to see more detail for this rental property, you can see the property for rent and the prices, and you can see some images. I haven't uploaded these sessions for this time, so whenever user required to upload many images according to their requirement of the property. And scroll down, you can see the property descriptions. Here is more descriptions about property, and the addresses in the detail. You can see address and the zip code and city name, and you can see the Punjab, and neighborhood is also defined in the property. And someone user want to buy the property, so it's very important to know for the neighborhood which kind of the neighborhood near his desired properties. So here is a more detail about this. You can see the 4 bedroom and 3 bathroom, and it's a 500 square yards, and the parking space you can see, and the property status we have the rental. Okay, built in 2030. It's mean this date will be defined you the property when is constructed the properties there would mean. And amenities, what kind of facilities in the house, like you can see the washer and dryer and many other things you can see in the properties are amenities. You can also add it in the amenities also. And the nearest places, as I say, the buyer or renter is both a customer want to know which kind of facilities and places are near their uh, rental place. So you can see 14 kilometer from the university and 11 kilometer for the shopping mall, and all these are we can edit customizable all the function like this airport. And according to this found all by according to the addresses. These are not uh, you can say hard coded here. These are functionalities to calculate the kilometer from the desired distance according to the longitude and the latitudes. And we can also upload some videos on YouTube to integrate the link with our website here for user can see which kind of properties he want to buy or for rent. Or at the end of this page you can see the related properties are showing in the bottom. And you can see we have footers, beautiful footers, we have logo and some details. And you can also see some latest news. For example, we have uploaded on another social media site, so we can also integrated the link in the bottom. And we have also you can see some gallery images and some important links are here. So scroll up to for this information is very important for customers to how to contact. Here is the agent contact. Whenever user want to contact to this agent, he just click here and fill out this form like a name and email address and the message what you want to say to the agent. So this will be submitted this message to this agent. And for more you can see find more filter options here by the prices and the bedroom and bathroom. You can select their values and search all these things. Okay, so let's back to the home page again. Okay, so scroll down here, and this page we have discussed at this area. And also you can write some important of your businesses and strategies, which kind of the rental properties you have. And you can also the setup the latest properties here you can see. And we have a beautiful and well managed this card with the fully functionals. And whenever user is click here to see more details, but a little details you can see on this page also, where the user is want to know the it is properties or rental categories or sale categories. You can see the label on the top of this card. And this session will show you about the agent. For example, you have a huge business and you allow to another agent to uh, uh, log in into your website. And they can also upload their property. For example, these the agent are added here. You can see the Rajveer have two properties and we have one property also. and we have also one properties. So these are whenever these agents are logging on our website here, just click here to register option, a username and the image, full descriptions about and positions, email addresses. This is information will be for agent, which country he is belong to, especially whenever he select the country. According to the country, for example, I am going to select a Pakistan. So I will have a state of Pakistan like Balochistan and Faisalabad, the capitals, and the Punjab, and we have a Sindh also. So according to the country, the selected cities will be shown here, and you agent can attach his social media link also here and submitted. The account will be created, and this query will goes to the admin session. While admin agent is send the query to the admin, admin also receive his query. For example, I have registered here for while admin is accepted his request, then agent can be logged in here on his account from this session here. Like this is add a agent login section from here, and moreover I'm show you what the thing is going on in this website. Let's talk about how to add the properties and sale properties and rental properties on this website, especially like this session is very important. So let's move to this. Okay, whenever I'm here for properties, first of all, the user have to add the correct categories of property. For example, I have added only two of these categories, and the next step will be the categories status. This will be the rental, or for example, you have lots of building like condo and townhouses and big houses. For example, we have different categories, so like restauranted, you can also the categories, and which kind of status you want to give there, is for restaurants is for sale, and restaurant can be on rent, like the same thing for the houses and the building also. This session is also for a property status and for future, and which kind of feature we have in the we will have in our property. For example, we have a pond and we have a gym also, like this kind of facilities in the hotels, and which kind of facilities in the house you can be added from here. You can scroll down, I have added many facilities in the house. It's a very simple process to add the thing. For example, it's here the mode you can add the image, and just select enable it and go. You can set the name and then the image and which order you want to show on the top of the list and the bottom. You can select, it's depend on you. And it's while you are selecting image, I'm just for the demo I'm just showing you. For example, uh, I will have image like for example these images for other. Let's go back and okay, these are the pattern images and upload. I just okay, just just for example I just selected this image. The image you don't have to select from outside of the from your computers. You just upload their images once on your system, and then you just select the image, and I just give the number of 9 and enable, and whatever I give the name ABC. Okay, it's edit. Just save on click on the save button and you can see order 9, and the big number will be shown on the top of the list. Whenever you edit, then the thing is will be on the top. When you want to edit it from here, you can change the detail. For example, you want to change anything. Okay, so let's show you to how it will be deleted. You can select here and click on delete button, it will be deleted. Okay, it's successfully deleted message is showing here. And you can also add the near places. This is a very important part of this website. You can see I don't have write any kilometer with this name. Whenever I will here, you can see the property here. I just click on it, and this will be show me my near places, how it's far from me. Like I'm just going down, and here you can see some images, and you can see the from the university is 1 kilometer, and 10 kilometer the railway station. You can see the 1 kilometer from the shopping mall, and you can see also the 1 kilometer from the bus hospitals. Okay, so it's a very good thing, it's working very nice thing. Okay, so let's back to the admin side. You can add your places, nearest places for your property. It's a very good impressions to for your customer to buying anything. And you can also set the property in unit. You can see in canal we have a square unit, and any unit you want to give, and within different languages uh, you can give this. And what kind of custom field we have, if you something is missing, I don't have created for example, so I can create it from here. I just selected this field will be for radio button or check textbooks, and you can see checkbook I can select, and I can select also file, and I will have like date, time, and time and date also you can see. You just which kind of field you want to give to the user to enter, like you have idea for giving property on rent from 1 month to 3 months, so you can select also date here. This is a very important thing, it's very customizable field here. Okay, so this, so let's go to another important section. Here is a very important section. I have added three property from the agent. This is not necessary the agent can add the property, the admin can also add the property from here. Just select it here, and this is general data. One thing I have missed, whenever you want to the website on with the different languages, you have to add some other languages. So by default I have selected in English, so you need to go for languages. So you can uh, here I have the thing. Just a minute, I'm just showing you. You can add the languages from here, I will show you later. Okay, so main data you can select short, and you can also have the name of agent here. You can add your name in agent, no problem at all. You can, as an agent you can add yourself, and select image of property that you want to show on the top. For example, this image is uh, a feature image for the website will be shown on the top, and this will be also, I will show you where you can add these images. And the status you want to enable and disable the properties, and the approve and disapprove enable and you can add a video link here, and the property status, a rental or sale you can select here, and you give the price and the category you want to give. What we have added in the category section, these are options. If you have missed something, you can add in the category section. You can also add uh, this status property. You can also have option to customize these option. And when you have done this and you have to move to the next address, you have to select some country, okay, and the zone where is located. It's very important for addresses to match for calculating for the amenities. It's very important. And you can also get according to whenever you have a complete address, you can just click here to get a longitude and latitude. For example, you don't system is getting slow, so you can get go to the Google map and get address copy and paste your address in the map, and you can select and copy the latitudes and longitude. For example, I have here. So, and the neighborhood I have told you, and the before, it's very important also, and the area which kind of for 400s and 1150, like you can add here. And the width unit, it's in canal, it's in square yard, and with any kind of unit you can customize this option also from the top of the menus. And you can also add the bedroom. You just click here on the plus button and you can add all the bedroom here, and the bathroom you can also add. And you can also tell them room count. For example, we have another room like a dining room, we have a drawing room, and we have many other kind of room in the house rather than the bedroom. So you can add, you can just tell the other count, and you can tell about the parking space, and you can tell them the date of the constructed the property. And important section here, you can add images as you want. Click here and click here and click here how many images you have in the property. So you can add the images with different rooms and kitchen and washroom image you can add here. And other important section is here. For example, you have facility, you want to give the facilities of the user as like access to the balcony. You just check it, you check uh, here also fireplace, you want to give access to him, and front yard, and these are amenities. And also gym you can select it. I have you can also edit. For example, some item is missing from here, is not in the list, so you can add these amenities on the top of the list. Here is amenity session is here, so it's very easy to go to add and select it with amenities. So let's move to the nearest places. You can describe the nearest places. For example, you have to describe is 10 kilometer from the airport, and the bus stand is 1 kilometers, and like this kind of you can add the amenities. It's will be good for impression, and you can also customize in any other thing. So these are the option are very important, I have told you. Other session we have also in this like theme control system. Like we have a header session, you can change the style of header session. Like we have this style, and you can also customize these menus from here. And you can also customize your footer. You can also customize the home page agent session. You can also customize your property session on the top of, like on we have in the home page, and you can also change the style for search layout and the photo and session. You can uh, add the image for image, and you can also change. And we have also some other thing, like we have email addresses and other addresses. You can add the link also from here, and you can also change the theme color also. These are very important things in the this project I have told you. And you can add the user and the user group and page building session module setting. All our setting will be show you in when we are going live for demonstrations. Some of these important session I have already told you for that, and we have, if we have another pages, for example, like we have information like FAQ page and the contact us and testimonial and newsletter subscriptions, all are here. And this is also important section for every website. Is a blog section we can add. The blog is here. I just show you on a single click, like this information will be came from here. This information is came from here actually. Okay, just I'm clicking on here, so you can see. Just click on this section. Okay, we have many detail on here. Okay, so let's move to the next thing. I think we have done all the important thing in this video. So have a good luck for this. And we have some problem on especially on okay, so battery is down, so I have to close this session. Okay, bye. Thank you.